Automated export of 3-panel canvas previews. This method will save you a lot of time by converting a stack of photos into 3-panel canvas previews using a JavaScript file in one of my mockups. Make sure your photos are the correct dimensions for the smart objects, otherwise you will get errors in the results. First, hide the help guide layer so it doesn't interfere. Second, select the smart object. Third, navigate to menu/script/browser and find the script file. The download link should be included in the description of this video. Fourth, locate the images, select them and click OK. And finally, please wait a bit as this may take several minutes. I have had to speed up the video to 3x so that the video doesn't run too long. You see? This can always take a while. To speed up this process, I recommend 2 things to do. First, do a test with a single image. And reduce the resolution size of the PSD file, so that it takes much less time. Feel free to like or comment if you found this video helpful. For access to these mockups, please visit my store, carlosvaloria.com.